All right. So we are going to start the session right now. All right. So I'll start by introducing myself. My name is Manuel from Coinlearnity. I'm an instructor here at Coinlearnity. Now, what we are here to do today is to learn. We are here to learn. Today is going to be a learning session. So we're going to be doing this from time to time. We're going to be holding different topics, the sessions on different topics. Now, if you don't mind, I will be sharing my screen right now to start the session properly. Just give me a little time and let me do that. So can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? All right, all right, all right.
Yeah,
That's good. All right. So first of all, I will start this session by introducing Coinlearnity. What is Coinlearnity? And Coinlearnity is an edtech company dedicated to revolutionizing financial education. Our mission is to make finance accessible and understandable for all, regardless of background or experience, through comprehensive courses on Forex, stocks, investing, money management, and financial planning. We empower our clients with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the financial world with ease. So essentially, this is what we do. We are into, we produce courses, we educate our clients, students on the forex market, the stock market, trading in general. So that is the function of Coinlearnity, right? So moving on, let's move on to the next slides. In today's topic, now we are going to be talking about how to open a forex trading account the right way, right? So, what is a forex trading account first of all? Now, a trading account is an account that connects you to the financial market. It holds your trading capital, which is the money you deposit, and records all your trade profits and losses. A trading account, in other words, is the account you open with a broker like Xness that allows you to buy and sell financial instruments such as currencies, forex, stocks, commodities, or crypto on a trading platform. So that is this is the definition of what the trading account is. If you want to trade the forex market, you can't just go into the forex market and say you want to trade. No, there are things that you need to do first of all before you get to the trading aspect, which is first of all, yes, you need to learn, you need to have a good strategy, you need to understand the market. Then once you do that, the next step is practicing. You have to, of course, you have to practice what you learn over time. Now, when it comes to practicing, that is where a trading account is going to come in handy. Now, how do you get a trading account? By what? Going through a broker, which probably in this video I'm going to be recommending a broker here. Now, why we are doing that is due to the fact that we've had an issue of scam happening, and also most people or most potential students do ask of these students do ask us about the broker they should sign up with. So to clear that confusion, I'm going to be recommending a particular broker in this session. And like I said, the reason why I'm recommending this broker is because of number one, people are asking about it, and number two, we've had issues of scam, right? So we've had an issue where someone saw a broker link that's similar to a popular broker that we all know, and the person clicks on the link, signs up, only for that student to deposit their money, or that trader to deposit their money into that account, and before you know it is gone. The person loses access to that account, can't even find the account, the credentials, the company was just gone in the blink of an eye. So that is one thing I'm going to be doing in this session. I'm going to be recommending a broker, and also we are going to be going further into signing up with this broker, how to open an account, what you need to practically open and verify an account on that broker, and so on and so forth. Right? So what does a trading account do? Number one, a trading account gives you access to the market via platforms like MT4, MT5. So if you're conversant with the trading world, you know that these two softwares here, the MT4 and MT5, are one of the most popular softwares, trading platforms that traders actually use. Now, your trading account gives you access to that platform. Without a trading account, you won't be able to use MT4 and MT5. You can download the app, but it won't be functional if you don't have a trading account. Number two is that it stores your funds for trading. So your trading account, when you are trading live, your account, that is the money you deposit into your broker, is going to be in your trading account. You're going to be seeing that funds in your trading account. Number three, it helps you execute trades, which is buy or sell orders, limit orders, and so on and so forth. Yes, it's true. Uh, on your trading account, that is where you execute your trades. Without a trading account, like I said, you can't execute trades. If you want to buy or you want to sell, you want to set buy limit, sell stop, buy stop, whatever order you want to set. If you don't have a trading account, you can't do those things, right? The next is that it shows you your balance, your equity, and your margin. So with the trading account, you can effectively manage your balance, your equity, and your margin. So when you're trading, you go to your account details, you can see your remaining balance, your profits, your equity, and your margin. Then the last but not the least, it keeps track of your trading history. Yes, that is one of the functionalities of a trading account. So let's say, and this also comes in handy when you are evaluating your performance in the forex market. Let's say you're evaluating your strategy and you want to see where you've been going wrong and where you've been going right. So you have access to those trade history. So you can effectively just go to your trade history and you are going to see your history to evaluate your trading strategy or whatever means that whatever you want to use it for is there for you to view. Now, this is where we're going to be talking about the recommended broker I talked about previously. So the broker we're going to be recommending is actually the Xness broker. All right. Now, why do we recommend Xness? Well, first of all, what is Xness? Now, Xness is a well-regulated and trustworthy broker. They've been around for years now, and they have a good track record, right? So this broker is a very, 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 very nice broker. They haven't so far so good. We've been partnering with them. We have it's all been good, right? Their sign-up process is very, very seamless. They offer different trading accounts from pro, standard to cent, to zero accounts. They offer unlimited leverage, so which is one thing that you should check out also, and so on and so forth. Now, why would you choose this broker? Just like I said, it's regulated, which is one thing that people actually overlook, because so many times I see traders going to sign up with an unregulated broker for reasons best known to them. But that is quite dangerous, right? Because in these markets, you need a certain level of decency, and that regulation brings that decency into the markets, right? So when you go with a well-regulated broker, you save yourself more headache, because an unregulated broker doesn't have nothing regulates them. They can wake up one morning and pack up shop, even if your deposit is there. We've seen brokers like that. There are so many that have done that over the years, right? But when you have a regulated broker, at least you are protected to a high degree, right? So that is one of the main reasons why you should trade. You should choose Xness. You can do your findings on this, right? And also another good reason to go with Xness is the fact that they offer different trading accounts suitable for different traders. So if you don't have much funds, they have cent accounts for you. You can open a cent account and trade, and they also offer you unlimited leverage right on the side. If you're the kind of trader that prefers an account that doesn't have spread, a commission-based account, you can go for their commission-based account. If you're the kind of trader that prefers a spread-based account, you can go for their spread-based account too. Now, before you actually sign up, what do you need to sign up to the Xness broker? Number one, you need your valid email address. Number two, you need an ID document, that is an ID card, be it passports. You can use passports, you can use a driver's license, you can use your national ID card. Anyone is going to, so far as the government means of identification, the government ID, government issued ID is going to work. So last but not least, you also need proof of address. That is very, 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 very important, proof of address. Now, there's one thing you need to know when you're producing your proof of address. Your proof of address can be your bank statement, or it can also be in form of a kind of utility bill also. So that is one thing you need to know. Then another point that you need to understand is when you're signing up and you are asked to present your proof of address, you need to make sure that the address on your proof of address, that is the home address on your proof of address document, matches the address you sign up with when you are That is when you're signing up on Xmas. It has to match the address you impute on your address checkbox or on your address column when you are signing up. If those two address doesn't match, you're going to have issues verifying your account, right? So that is what you need to sign up with the Excellence Broker. So in the next section of this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through a practical step of how you can sign up with the broker effectively. It's very, very straight to the point. So let me load up the Excellence broker website. Now, to get to the Excellence broker website, you can click on the link to the in the comment section of this session. So you just go to the comment section. It should be to the right hand side if you're on desktop, or I think it should be in the comment box if you're on mobile. So when you get to the comment section, you are going to see the link to this. That is the genuine link to the Xness broker. And also, you're going to find other links there also, like links to our Telegram channel, which is, a good place if you're looking for free tutorials to, brush up on the Forex market. If you're looking for free tutorials, you're going to get them there. Free materials on trading, Forex, stocks, whatever it may be. We usually post educational materials, be it in video format or in text format. It's all there on our Telegram channel. And also, I think you're going to find links to our social media channels, which you can follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, TikTok. We also have a YouTube channel open. So that YouTube channel is also another form of, of education, of free educational resources. So you can also take advantage of that. The links should be in the comment section. So moving on, this is the Xness homepage. After clicking on the on the Xness link on the comment box, it should take you to this homepage. Now, how do you sign up? You sign up by either clicking on the register button here or the one at the top here. So any one of them is, some of them have the same functionalities. So if you click on this register button, it should take you to this page here. Now this is the create. You can see it's on create an account. Now I'm just going to give you a quick run through of how you can do this, because I already have an account, so I can't open an account with another account with the email. So what you need to do is, like I said, you need your email. Once you input your email here, you input your password. Now, when inputting this password, you need to make sure, right? You need to make sure that the password matches all these criteria as listed here. If it doesn't match it, it is not going to work. It's going to give you an error. So you need to make sure that it matches these criteria here. Then once you've done that, the next thing is to come here. You click on this checkbox and you click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, the next thing you're going to see is that you're going to create an account, but it's going to take you to the next page. The next page is a page where you're going to input your credentials, like your country of residence, your address, your sex type, male or female, and so on and so forth. Now, this is where you, like I said, remember, proof of address. This is at that area is where you need to impute on the address bar. You need to impute the same address that will be on your proof of residence document, so that when you're about to verify, when you provide those documents, it's going to match with what you already, what you have on your account already. So once you do that, that means that you've successfully created your account, right? You've created your account, you've filled in your details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in. To sign in, I need to come over here and see this is already my email and my password. I'm going to sign in, and I will take you guys to the dashboard to show you how you can open a trading account on the Xness broker. All right, so right here we have this is the dashboard, the Xness dashboard. So usually, once you sign up, you are going to be redirected to this dashboard. So there's something that you're going to see if you're not yet verified, if you've not verified your accounts. You're going to see a notification at this top right hand corner here that will be asking you to verify your accounts. So what you need to do when you see that is to click on it, provide the necessary documents that we talked about in previous slides. You need to provide them, keep them up to date, provide them, and give them, once you submit it, just scan them, submit them, give them time to review your document, and that process is actually very, very fast and straightforward. So once you provide those things, within a day or less than a day, you're going to be verified and you have the full accessibility, like that is the full features of the XNES broker. Because if you don't verify, you're not going to be open to the full, you're not going to take advantage of these full features. Now, I know you might be asking yourself, what are the full features? If you are not verified, you will be limited in the amount that can fund and withdrawal also. Yeah, because if once you verify, you kind of unlock everything. I think if you're not verified, also there's some account types that you can't open, right? So and there are some payment and withdrawal methods you won't be able to access if you're not verified. But once you're verified, I think you can access the crypto payment and withdrawal option if you're not verified. So once you verify, the crypto payment and withdrawal option will be open to you. You can see my account is verified now. That is why I think I should have the crypto payments and withdrawal option. You can see the crypto wallet is there. But if you're not verified, you don't have this crypto wallet here, and you won't be able to open some account types. Some premium account types might be restricted to you, and also you won't be able to fund higher amounts, and you won't also be able to withdraw higher amounts. That is, you'll be limited in your withdrawal and funding. So now, once you've done that, or once you've verified, the next thing is to open an account. Now, it can either be a demo account or a live account, whatever suits you. Now, the thing is this. Usually, when you want to open an account, you see this open account button here. That is the one you're going to click. But you can see that there's another open account button here. It's not. This button is not going to be here when you have an active account. So I'm just putting it so that you won't get confused when maybe, let's say, you're trying to open a new account and you're looking for this button. It's not going to be here. The one you're going to be seeing frequently, or the one that is static, is this one over here. So what you need to do to open an account is to come over here, you click on open account button and give that time to load. So you can see these are the different account types. We have the standard sense, the pro, the raw spread, and the zero. Now, what are the differences between these accounts? You can see the differences here. So for the standard accounts, I think these are, these are, I think, if you don't have, much, you don't have much to start with, these accounts that you can start with. So like I said, this XNES broker provides account for traders of in all forms, whether you have huge capital, you have a smaller capital, it's going to accommodate you. So for the standard account, you can start with minimum of $10. Also for the standard cent, you can start with minimum of $10. Now see the minimum spread for this starts from 0.20 pips, while the minimum spread for this starts around 0.30 pips. And the max leverage you can use here is on once unlimited. There's no commission on these accounts. Meanwhile, for the professional accounts, like the pro, you need to have like up to $500 to open this account. Then your spread starts from 0.10 pips. You have once unlimited leverage here also, and there's no commission on these accounts. Meanwhile, for raw spread and zero, they don't have spread on them, and their minimum deposit is $500. Their leverage is also once unlimited, and their minimum, commission. So this account types offers commission but doesn't offer spread. So for the commission, this starts at $3.50, and this starts from $0.05. Right. So to open any one of them, what you need to do is to click on, let's say I want to open a pro account, or let's say I want to open a raw spread account. You click on raw spread, that is, you tick the box here and you click on continue. Now, at this junction, this is you're going to select whether it's a demo account or a live account you want to open. So you can see now it's on a real account. So for the essence of this video, I'll be opening a demo account because I don't want to trade like on the real. I'm not opening this is just for education sake. So I'm going to be opening a demo account, but it's the same process. So in a real account, you just need to have your logo at this you need to have your logo at the real button. That is, click on this real. So I'm opening a demo account. Then the next thing is to do is to come and here, if you open a demo account, you can select your balance. So let's say I want to open a $10,000 account. I'm going to input 10,000. I want the balance to be $10,000. As you can see, it's already there. Then raw spread. The leverage is, let me see. You can see you can select one to limited. But I want the 1,500 leverage account. So Platform, usually you select the platform you want to use, whether it's MT4, MT5, or so on and so forth. So I'm going to begin with MT5 accounts. Then this is where you have to select your password. Now, when selecting your password or when inputting your password, you need to also note that the password has to match all these criteria here, right? So let me select one of these passwords. So you can see this password matches all the criteria. So that's why it's all, ticked green. So the next thing to do after doing is just to come and here and click on create account. Give that time to load. As you can see, now it has successfully created my account. Now you can see that open account button that was there before is no longer here, right? So now it has disappeared and you are left with just this one. So that's what I was trying to clarify in the other previously, so that you don't get it confused whenever you're trying to open a new account. Because then you're not going to find that button here. It's going to be always the starting point is going to be here. Now, what next do? You need to log into your, depending on the account, on the trading platform you chose when opening an account, whether it's MT4 and MT5, you're going to be logging in with the credentials. Now, how do you get the credentials? I think you click on trade, then you click on MT5, because I open an MT5 account. Then this is where you're going to get your credentials. So you can see the server, this is your server, this is your login. And remember, you have to remember the password I used to create this account. So you need all these to log into your the trading account on your MT5 platform. So guys, that is how you open an account on that is how you open an account on the XNES broker. So moving forward, guys, I'll be taking you to our platform, our Coinlearnity's platform. Now, this is the platform. This is our homepage. Like I previously said in the beginning of this video, as I previously said in the beginning of this session, Coinlearnity is an edtech company dedicated to revolutionizing financial education. Like I said, our mission is to make finance accessible and understandable for all, regardless of background or experience, through courses, Forex, stocks, and so on and so forth. And this is our homepage. This is where we do provide those services, right? To get the full, features of of our platform, you need to first of all sign up. But before we do that, I would like to take you down to this area here where we have our social media handles. So you can also, join our social media handles by clicking on the buttons here. So these are Facebook social media handle, Instagram, YouTube, which is a very, very huge resource for free education, Telegram, a Telegram community, and also we're on TikTok. So you can do well to click on any of these to join, to follow us on social media, or you join our community, go for our free education, because we do post free educational materials on all these different platforms. And if you want to talk with, you need someone to talk to, you're confused, maybe you hit a wall in your trading career, in your trading journey, and you want to talk to any of our, any of our support, you can also chat us up on on WhatsApp, and we will attend to you, give you the support that you need. Right. So to open an account on Coinlearnity, what you need to do is to come over here and you click on this diamond icon here. Now, clicking on this diamond icon is going to take you to the create an account page here. Now, I'm going to be giving you a quick rundown of how you can create an account. There are two ways to create an account on Coinlearnity. The first way is very, very easy. If you have a Gmail account, what you just need to do is come over here, you click on continue with Gmail, and that will, sort out everything for you. You do not need to do any other thing. So that is going to sort out everything. Just once you click on continue with Gmail, it's going to create an account and you are in. But if you don't have a Gmail, you have, let's say, other email types. What you're going to do is to come here. You have to start inputting the email, the password, your first name, last name, nickname. Then you provide your phone number, or preferably your WhatsApp phone number, so that I can reach you in case we have, because we do give out rewards. Like I said, we do give out rewards. We do give out gifts, cash prizes once in a while. We do hold those kind of reward sessions on the personal learning area, so you can partake in them. We can send you a notification so that you can partake in them. And once you put in your WhatsApp number, or your phone number, anyone you have, you click on this checkbox button here and you click on create account. Now, when you click on create account, the next thing you're going to receive is an email from us. Send an email to you to your email address. So what you need to do is to open that email and you click on the link there to validate your account. So once you do that, that means you successfully created your Coinlearnity account. So for me, what I'm going to be doing here is to log in. So to log in, what you need to do is to come over here and you click on the login button. So clicking on the login button is going to take you to this login page here. So like I said, if you open an account with Google, what you just need to do is to come over here and you click on continue with Google, right? And give that time to load. And you choose the preferred Gmail account that you want to use to log in. But if you signed up using email, what you need to do is to come over here and you put the email here and your password and you click on login. So if you create an account with Gmail, you need to do is just click on continue with Google, select your email, and that should log you into your account. So you just need to give the little time. As it's loading, it's going to log me into my account now. And voila, all the Coinlearnity's dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Now here, I'm going to talk about two specific things or features, which are the courses section and the community section. Now, but before I talk about that, I'll like to also remind you about or tell you about our rewards program. Now, what is rewards on Coinlearnity? Reward is an event where we do, reward our client. We do reward our users for engaging with us. That is for engaging with our platform. So, what is this engagement I'm talking about? By logging in every day, watching the free tutorials. Because if you go to this reward section, there are free tutorials there, free lessons that you can use to actually learn, master the FX markets, the Forex market in general. Right. So when you watch these videos, you'll be given tokens. You earn tokens by watching these videos by interacting with our platform. Now, these tokens, once you accumulate a certain number of these tokens, you can use those tokens to redeem prizes like cash rewards, discount on courses and so on and so forth. So if you can take advantage of the reward section to earn or redeem these prizes that we are giving out. So moving on, I would like to talk to you about the community section. Now, like I said, the community section, I think I explained it before in the previous sections of the session. So the community section is probably where is a community on Telegram where we do post educational materials and so on and so forth. And one thing you need to know is that the community is on Telegram. So you need to have a Telegram account to actually join the community. So once you're here, what you need to do is to click on join community, and that should take you to this page. Then it will redirect you to Telegram. So you can see here in the Telegram desktop. And this is the community on Telegram. So you can see here, this is where we post educational materials, be it visually, that is visual materials or text-based materials. This is where we do post it. And as a plus, we do also give out signals here. So you can see here, this was a signal that we gave out some time ago. We do give out drop signals here from time to time. So you can take advantage of this. You can learn while you earn. So as you're learning with the materials on the community, you can also earn by copying our signals. Now these signals are very, very, we actually take our time to go through these signals. So we'll make sure that at least we give you a very, very, not just anyhow signals. We do our homework on these signals. So most of these trades are trades that we do take ourselves as traders, as instructor traders here. We have more experience. So we do, all of these trades are trades that we take on our personal accounts. So the signals are well vetted, well analyzed before we post them here. So we can take advantage of these signals and the materials here to learn and earn at the same time. Right. So let's go back to the dashboard and talk about the courses section of the personal learning area. Now, this is here. To get to the course section, what you need to do is to click on the courses icon, right? And give that time to load. So once you click on the course icon, that should bring you to this page, which means is here you're going to get most of our courses, right? So now we have two types of courses. We have signature and premium courses. But in this video, we are going to be particularly talking about the signature courses. Now, the signature courses are courses that are very, beginner friendly. So if you're someone that's coming into the forex market for the first time and you do not have any idea of where to start from, this is a good starting point for you. So it's also pocket friendly and it's a beginner friendly course. So you can use this to, kind of you can use this course to get yourself up to date. Take yourself to from a beginner level to an intermediate level. Then you can go over to the premium courses here. But for to start, this is what you need to actually start. So let's click on the course to see what it actually contains. So once you click on the course, it's going to take you to this page, which is the course page here. On this course page, you're going to see the topics taught in the course. So like I said, this is a beginner friendly course. And you can see the topics taught here. What is forex trading, understanding the market and its participants, currency pairs, base codes, and major currencies and others. You have the basic forex terminology. These are all basic, beginner friendly topics that you need to know. So it's packed with some strategies, some beginner strategies also that you can use to start, earning in the market. So you on this page, you're going to find this the course outline and the total number of lessons in the course. And if you're now interested in taking the course, what you need to do is to come over here and you click on take the course button, right? So once you click on take the course button, that should take you to this page. But before I do that, I need to first of all remove, because this course is already on my cart, which is not supposed to be. Because for the essence of doing this is to show you guys how to, how to purchase the course if you're just coming into the site for the very first time. So I need to first of all remove this item so that I can then come over here and teach you guys how to show you guys how to get the course. So after clicking on the take the course icon button in the previous page, that should bring you to this page, like I said. Then here, what you need to do is to come over here and click on add to cart and give that time to load. So once you click on add to cart button, this is where it's going to take you, right? So it's going to take you to this page. On this page, you're going to input your email address, your billing address. I see my billing address here. This is my email address. Then the next thing you do is to click on place an order. And now I know you're asking yourself, why is it 25,000 naira here now? Yes, because right now we are actually running a promo discount deal. So we are actually giving our courses at all of our courses are going at half their current prices. So the usual price for this course is 50,000 naira, but right now we are running a promo, discount promo. So now, for now, it's at 25,000 naira, so you can get the course at half the price right now. And once you're here, this is the payment merchant. So what you need to do is if you're using transfer methods for payments, you can copy the account here and transfer it and transfer the funds, the balance. And once you've done that, click on transfer the money button here, and that should confirm your payment. Or you can decide to use card payment. Then you click on card, you input your card number, your card expiry date, and your CVV, and you click on continue. That should also process the payment. So if you use USSD code, usually you're going to select the bank you want to use the USSD code for and follow the prompts. So guys, that is how that's like these are the functionalities I wanted to show you guys. The features I wanted to show you on the personal learning area and the Coinlearnity's personal learning area. Now, going back to what we discussed in the session about brokers, trading account, and so on and so forth, please is there any question for me based on what was taught in this session? Hello? Because we are now in the question and answer session of the session. So this is where you ask questions and I will give you your answers. Any questions at all, I can answer them right now in this part of the session. Hello? All right, so on that note, since there is no question, there's no question that anyone has for me. You can follow us on our social media handles. These are our social media handles. Usually, the if you also if you want if you're looking for free resources, free materials to learn how to trade, learn the financial markets, how they work. You can also go to our YouTube channel. We have lots and lots and lots of free educational materials that I can use to to upgrade your knowledge on the forex or on the financial market as a whole. And we are actively uploading new lessons on the channel, so you can do well to visit our channel, subscribe to the channel, and hit it. If you go on the channel, you need to hit the notification button so I can get notified whenever we upload new educational content on the channel. Right. So also, like I said, you can contact us by the on WhatsApp with the phone number shown on your screen, or you can contact us through email too with this email right here. So, guys, on this note, I think we've come to the end of this session. I hope I've brought value to you, and I hope that you do take advantage of the materials and information dropped in this session. So, for those that want to go over this session again, the recording is going to be on. I think it's going to be on our YouTube channel, so you can go over the lessons that were taught there if you need it. So, guys, that'll be all for this session. My name is Emmanuel once again from Coinlearnity, and I will see you in the next session.